I've been searching for more meaning and inspiration in my career, but I lacked the confidence and courage to make a life-changing decision.
For so long, I was unclear in my direction, fearful and anxious while going through a transitional stage in my life.
I felt stagnant and in a rut, like my life was going nowhere.
Create space in your life for more meaningful moments and purpose. Build daily habits that improve your approach to challenges and move forward with clarity and confidence.
Trust yourself and erase self-doubt.
Become empowered with your unique purpose and think with precision.
Stop living with fear and overcome mental roadblocks that have held your life or business hostage.
Strengthen your intuition to find clarity in your life and business.
Connect effortlessly and engage with an inspiring and supportive community. I'm Christy Nichols, and I teach you how to diminish your fears and live a meaningful life you love.